Maya Aseptic Cartridge filling line combines an ultrasonic washing machine, a sterilization tunnel, a filling and capping machine, and a complete CIP or SIP system. The washer uses ultrasonic pre-cleaning with 3 water, 3 air rinsing, achieving 220 cartridges or min. The high-speed filling and capping machine runs 24/7 at 200 cartridges or min. High-speed automated stopper unscrambling and conveying with precise bottom stoppering. It adopts 2-stage filling, full servo drive, and laser liquid level detection to achieve 100% filling and high-precision production. After aseptic filling, cartridges enter the fully automated capping process. Multi-head capping ensures a flawless seal for every cartridge. Qualified finished cartridges are smoothly conveyed to the next production process, maintaining a stable and continuous production.